You go ranking out 2 boxes, 12-13 Panini Anthology for Sortgulds. So good luck to you, sir. We start with a Prism rookie autograph, Robert Meyer, and a rookie of Matt Clark. We've got a luxury suite rookie jersey autograph, number 2/99, Akeem Aliu. We've got a legacies to 9.99, Bernie Prott. We've got a Game Gear jersey, Peter Mueller. Elite rookie to 9.99, Scott Glennie. We've got a Royal Lineage triple jersey, Jared Boll, Brandon Dubinsky, and Artem Anisimov. We've got a Hard Contenders to 9.99, Patrick Marleau. We've got a Great Outdoors, number to 500, Nikki Lidstrom. And a Rookie Treasures, dual jersey and autograph, number to 6.99, Brandon Manning. Cup Contenders to 9.99, Joe Thornton. Base. And we finish with an Elite Rookie to 9.99, Dalton Prote. And a Game Gear jersey, Henrik Lundqvist. All right, box 2. All right, we've got a Prism Red Parallel, number 23/50, Ryan Nugent-Hopkins. 23/50, and a rookie of Colby Roback. We've got base, that out of the way early, make way for an epic silhouette. We've got an Elite Rookie to 9.99 for the Boston Bruins, Michael Hutchinson, and a Game Gear jersey, Brett Hull. We've got a Rookie Treasures, dual jersey and autograph, number to 6.99, Philippe Cornet. We've got a Legacies to 9.99, Joe Nieuwendyk. We've got a Game Gear jersey, Justin Williams. We've got a Cup Contenders to 9.99 at Patrick Kane. We've got an All the Kings Men jersey, Dwight King. We've got a Vezina Contenders to 9.99, Corey Lettinen. We've got an Intensity, numbered to 500, Nikki Lidstrom. And a 3-color Rookie Silhouette Jersey Prime and Autograph, numbered 74/99, Akeem Aliu. Numbered to 99. And we've got a Heart Contenders to 9.99, Daniel Sedin. Now on to the bonus packs. Alright, we've got a Prism Cracked Ice number 10 of 10, Gabriel Landeskog. And an Anthology Limited Edition number 4 of 5, Mark Scheifele. Back to. Has a Prism Cracked Ice Rookie numbered 1 of 5, Casey Cizikas. 1 of 5, Casey Cizikas. And an Anthology Limited Edition number 2 of 5, Eric Stahl. So there we go, boys and girls.